In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get certified in QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. So if you're looking to validate your skills and boost your professional credibility with a QuickBooks certification, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get you started on this rewarding journey. First things first, you'll need to click on the sign in option. This step is crucial because it helps you access your QuickBooks account where you will manage all your certification processes. Once you are on the sign in page, go ahead and choose QuickBooks Online. This option typically caters to most users since it provides a comprehensive suite for all your accounting needs. QuickBooks Online is versatile and widely used, making it an ideal choice for certification. Next, you'll need to input your credentials and hit continue. Be sure to have your login information handy to ensure seamless access. If you're entering for the first time or have forgotten your password, be sure to follow the instructions to retrieve or set up a new password. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the QuickBooks Pro Advisor page. You can do this by heading over to the Become a Certified Pro Advisor QuickBooks Intuit section. This page is your gateway to starting your certification journey. It provides detailed resources and the necessary guidance to help you master QuickBooks and gain your certification. Now click on Get Started. This action opens up the sign up page for QuickBooks Pro Advisor certification. Here you'll be introduced to a slew of learning materials and resources designed to prepare you for the certification exams. Following that, you're going to want to click on Sign Up for QuickBooks. This step is aimed at establishing your presence on the Pro Advisor network, marking the beginning of your path to becoming certified. QuickBooks offers various educational materials and practice tests to ensure you're well prepared. After signing up, click on Visit the US site. The US site provides a plethora of information that is specifically tailored to users in the United States, giving you access to special offers, support, and updates that are pertinent to your certification process. Finally, you'll need to decide on a plan that suits your needs best, so click on Choose Your Plan to get started. This step ensures you have access to the tools and features you need to effectively utilize QuickBooks in your profession. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to earning your QuickBooks certification, bolstering your credentials in the accounting and financial management fields. Remember, QuickBooks also offers various free webinars through their online help option, which can serve as supplementary learning resources. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck in your certification journey.